Hi there, this is Brent Stutzman with Therasas, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our HIPAA compliant forms that you can put on your website so you can quickly qualify those leads that are coming in and are interested in your counseling services. So let's jump in. So in our demo account here, you have in the back end of Therasas, we have our form. So I want to show you quickly working from left and right. This is actually a standard form that everybody gets with Therasas. It's a template that you can use or you can build your own. If you wanted to, if you wanted to build your own, you can just drag and drop this over. Simple, very easy drag and drop builder. We also have custom fields where you can ask more specific questions other than your just name, phone number, email address. Like, for example, how would you like to receive services? In person, telehealth, or open to both? That's an example of a custom field. Before I show you what it looks like on a web page, I want to be able to show you this. Here on the left, you have your version history that you can go back to if you made a mistake or wanted to update. We also have our undo button. And then here we have our style box. So you can go ahead and style these forms how you would like. And I also want to show you this on this option right over here. You can set on the submit button. So when somebody submits the form, you can have a success message that says, "Thank you for submitting a new client intake. Someone on our team will reach out to you shortly," or you can redirect them to a URL, which would be like a thank you page on your website. So there are a couple options there you can do. I'd like to move us back over here to conditional logic. We do have a lot of different conditional logic options for you to explore, and we have a really cool way to send a notification to you once they submit a form. We send you a beautifully styled email with the information that they filled out on this form as well. I want to go down here to show you that I think Therasas is really important when it comes to being able to capture referral sources. So having this right on your form, even if they don't become a client, you can find out how they hear about you. And of course, we have the consent box down here as well. Okay, so let me show you what this looks like on a website. So this is what a form looks like on a website. All you have to do is take and copy and paste an embed code on here, and I can show you that in just a second. But you can see we have radial buttons. Can have drop down for selections. We have square buttons. You can also have just open text, so they can put whatever they like. Here's another drop down example with a multiple selection, multiple choice. And I'm going to fill this in to kind of show you eventually what this will look like inside Therasas. It's out, given the birthday in here. Also, these little tiny asterisks means they're required. So this is in order for them to submit the form, they have to fill in that information since it is required. I believe this is all ready to go. So let me hit the submit button here. All right, and you'll see that there is a success message. Now, before I show you what that email looks like, I want to show you an easy way that you can integrate this form on your website. All you have to do is click the copy embed code, and it's going to put that code that this is easy for you and your web designer to put on there. It's just a simple iframe. You can paste most iframe embeds on any website. And the other thing you could do is you can copy this form link. If you didn't want to embed it on your website, you can just share the link with a client lead, and they can fill it out on their own right here. And this will get all connected to your CRM. So there's lots of different ways you can use the custom forms to put on your website. All right, so let's take a look what the filled out form looks like in a nice stylized email. All right, and so this is what it looks like. You got the notification that you got a new form submission, and here's how it looks like. All the information, the questions that are on the left, there are on the form, and you get the responses here on the right. All right, so that's a short overview of the forms and what Therasas can do. I'm going to show you in the next video what it looks like when they get put in, those client leads that filled out the form get put in our visual pipeline.